Today, I'll show you how to turn off Adobe Acrobat notifications so you can enjoy a more streamlined and less distracting experience when using the software. Adobe Acrobat notifications can be useful, but sometimes they can become a bit overwhelming, especially if you're frequently working with PDFs. Fortunately, turning them off is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, let's start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Whether you're on a Windows PC or a Mac, the process is quite similar, so you don't need to worry about any major differences. Once Adobe Acrobat is open, you'll want to navigate to the Preferences menu. If you're using a Windows computer, head over to the Edit menu at the top of the screen. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Preferences. For those of you on a Mac, you'll find the Preferences option under the Acrobat menu. Simply click on Acrobat in the top left corner of your screen and then select Preferences from the drop-down list. With the Preferences window open, you'll see a list of categories on the left-hand side. What we're interested in here is the General category. Click on General to bring up the options associated with it on the right-hand side of the window. Now, we're going to take a closer look at the notification settings. You'll notice options like Show Me Messages when I launch Acrobat and Messages from Adobe. These are the settings that control the notifications you receive while using Adobe Acrobat. If you want to reduce interruptions, simply uncheck these options. Unchecking Show Me Messages when I launch Acrobat will prevent those pop-up messages from appearing every time you start the program. Similarly, disabling Messages from Adobe will stop other types of Adobe-related notifications from showing up. Once you've made your selections, the final step is to save these changes. To do that, simply click OK at the bottom of the Preferences window. This action will apply your new settings, and you'll no longer be bothered by those pesky notifications while working in Adobe Acrobat. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Adobe Acrobat notifications. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy a more focused and uninterrupted workflow. Remember, you can always return to the Preferences menu and adjust these settings anytime if you find you need some notifications back. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Have a great day and happy PDF editing.